Here's the app called Two-Way, Connect with AI Avatars. Quite trending app. The new era of AI chat is here. Say goodbye to text and chat in real time with fictional, historical, and celebrity holo avatars in a safe and secure environment. So here you can just check it out. So you can find some features, and let's just open it up to show you how it works. So here is how the app looks. So now you can finally sign in. You can easily create your account with email and password, and then you can kind of select your avatars and then just chat with them in this way, kind of how you can then just chat.
Hi, I am Chef Luca, your cucina companion from Bologna. You tell me what you're craving, and I'll help you cook it like a real Italian nonna, minus the wooden spoon. Of course, what are we making today? My friend, ciao. How can I sprinkle some Italian magic in your kitchen today?
So you can also call, you can also chat. There are some, I don't know, different languages. Send like a voice message. And this is your avatar. This is what you can have in here. So there are some codes. You can redeem codes. You can contact support. I don't know. There are some moments which you can share then with the kind of like a feed where you can just talk
Hi.
with like different people recording how they are talking with these avatars. Then there is your avatar balance, where you have coins which you can top up. 10 coins, 1,000 coins, 16, all of these you can then just easily top up. And that's basically, yeah, what you have. Then you have chat. You have here, this is also the idea. So yeah, that's kind of the app. And I don't have any codes, but yeah, if you have any referral codes, leave them in the comments below.